Over the past 3 months, Pakistan has been ravaged by the most catastrophic floods in our history. Unprecedented rainfall and uninterrupted flooding triggered by climate change have wreaked havoc across most of Pakistan during this monsoon season, inundating 1/3 of the country. Over 33 million people have been affected so far.
सारे बच्चे लुढ़ गए हैं, माल मवेशी लुढ़ गए हैं, और सारे घर तबाह हो गए हैं। जलील है, बस अल्लाह पाक खैर करे, क्या करिए।
मेरे बाले नहीं लोग गए ना, लड़के मेरे बाल बर्बाद निकल मेरा बाल। दर्द
अब क्या करें हम, बताओ। खाने पीने के लिए चीजें नहीं है, हम क्या करें। राशन नहीं है, पानी नहीं है पीने के लिए, टेंटे नहीं है, हम सूद में मर रहे हैं। आप बताओ हम क्या करें, बताओ।
More than 1,300 persons have died, including 400 children. Over 12,000 people have been injured. Millions of people have been displaced. Nearly 2 million homes have been destroyed. The majority of the people affected are deprived of basic health facilities and medicines. Around 600,000 women are expected to give birth without medical care. Crops, livestock, and communication infrastructure have been severely damaged. Sadly, the number of casualties and injuries is expected to increase. So is the damage to houses, crops, livestock, and infrastructure. The devastating carnage Pakistan has experienced is a direct consequence of climate stress. The amount of rainfall in Pakistan this year has never been witnessed before. Rainfall this monsoon season has been 170% higher than the 30-year average. Some areas have experienced 700% more rain than average. These relentless torrential rains have caused devastating flash floods, hill torrents, and urban flooding. For a country that emits less than 1% of global greenhouse gases, our climate vulnerability is unfairly high, ranking among the top 8 climate-impacted countries in the world. The federal and provincial governments have been executing rescue and relief operations tirelessly, with support from the armed forces, the National Disaster Management Authority, the Provincial Disaster Management Authorities, and other departments since the start of rains and floods in June. The Prime Minister of Pakistan has formed a National Flood Response and Coordination Center, which he is heading himself, to ensure effective implementation and coordination of relief and rehabilitation efforts. However, given the unprecedented size of the calamity, the resources currently available to the government of Pakistan are not enough. Help and assistance are arriving from friendly countries and multilateral partners. The NGOs are playing their part too. However, the gap is too big. Much more resources are urgently needed to help flood victims. Please help the government of Pakistan to help those in need. Please join hands with us to save lives and human dignity. Together, we can raise the required funds for food, water, medications, and tents to help provide immediate relief to those affected by floods, and to help them get back on their feet.